Deepika tests her chemistry with Salman for Sultan. Aamir faces backlash for comments on intolerance. Is a film with Akshay and Sajid Khan on the cards? Salman scares his Sultan director. Hey guys, I'm Caitlin and you have joined us for the weekend edition of Bollywood's coolest news stop, 9XE.com, the show.
I'm hot, you're not, I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar. 9XE.
The film's makers have not left any stone unturned when it comes to promoting the film. And so Deepika went on the sets of Salman Khan's Bigg Boss. Promoting Tamasha might have been the main reason for Deepika, but there was another chupa hua agenda as well. Buzz is that Deepika is opposite Salman in Sultan and she was sent on the show to test the chemistry between her and Bhai. And boy did she put on a show.
मुझे आपसे शादी करनी है. Will you marry me, Mr. Salman Khan?
ये प्रोमो कैसा उड़ जाओ. नो उड़ जाओ. दीपिका हो या कोई भी हो, ये नहीं होता.
Let's also not forget that Deepika was among Salman's top choices for the part of his leading lady in Sultan. Does that mean that Deepika passed the test? Bet she hopes she did. After all, Bajra Mastani ke baad Deepika ki date diary khali hai. So should she pencil in Sultan? Deepika and Salman might have had a great time, but there was something missing. Or rather, someone. Ranbir's absence was pretty obvious though, and the reason for him skipping the show is also pretty obvious. Ranbir's current girlfriend, Katrina Kaif, is Salman's ex. The two have tried their best to avoid each other, so there was no chance that Ranbir would go on Salman's Bigg Boss. So this time, Deepika covered up for Ranbir, but she had her own personal reasons for doing so as well. Anyway, looking forward, trouble can't help but follow Aamir Khan. Recently, at the Ramnath Goenka Excellence in Journalism Awards, Aamir addressed the issue of intolerance, saying, "Kiran and I have lived all our lives in India. For the first time, she said, should we move out of India? That's a disastrous and big statement for Kiran to make to me. She fears for her child. She fears about what the atmosphere around us will be. That does indicate that there is a sense of growing disquiet, growing sense of despondency." Aamir went on to say that his wife Kiran is scared to read the papers. He said that one feels low and questions why such things are happening. He also took a dig at the political class by saying, "When people take law into their hands and when there is a sense of insecurity, we look upon these people to take a strong stance, make strong statements, and speed up the legal process to prosecute cases. When we see it happening, there is a sense of security, but when we don't see that happening, there is a sense of insecurity." Aamir's comments about leaving the country have not gone down well with the industry walas. The always vocal Rishi Kapoor tweeted, "Mr. and Mrs. Aamir Khan, when things are going wrong and the system needs correction, repair it, mend it, don't run away from it. That is heroism." Aamir's Andaz Apna Apna co-star Paresh Rawal tweeted, "Aamir is a fighter, so he should not leave but change the situation in the country. Jeena yahan, marna yahan." Anupam Kher tweeted up a fury calling out Aamir. "Dear at Aamir Khan, did you ask Kiran which country would she like to move out to? Did you tell her that this country has made you Aamir Khan? Dear at Aamir Khan, presumed country has become #intolerant. What do you suggest to millions of Indians? Leave India or wait till regime changes?" 9XE got in touch with the actor who is shooting in Toronto with Gerald Butler for the Headhunters calling. And while Anupam insisted that he had nothing to say outside of what he had tweeted, he did address the issue of how his tweets would affect his relationship with Aamir.
That's okay. Everything is there, and I've written whatever I feel I've written. Relationship is not. I don't think it should. If his comments does not spoil his relationship with me, why should my comments about him spoil my relationship with him? Because we have the freedom to disagree to agree or agree to disagree.
However, there were also those from the fraternity who came out in support of Aamir.
I think आमिर बहुत ही समझदार है और मुझे नहीं लगता कि उसने कोई ऐसी बात कही है जो कि लोगों को इतना ऑफेंसिव लगना चाहिए। ना शाहरुख ने करी थी, ना आमिर ने की है।
इंडिया की कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है, यही आप लोग मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं। जब आमिर कहते हैं कि उन्हें इंटॉलरेंस लग रहा है, वो इंडिया की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि इस आजकल का माहौल इंटॉलरेंट है। उसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि हमारा मुल्क इंटॉलरेंट है।
The common man also expressed their opinion on Amir's opinion. It is dangerous to have people like Amir in country. He can fuel communal tension. Considering peace of country, he should be asked to leave. #Amir. What #Amir Khan wants to prove? If he has some issue, get together and discuss with PM, but don't make it public as an actor. #Amir versus Modi. A few people are so angry with Amir that they have uninstalled the app for an online shopping site which Amir endorses. All this backlash has put everyone on edge, and while Amir was in Ludhiana for the shoot of Dangal, security outside his Bandra home in Mumbai was beefed up. The State Reserve Police Force deployed a team of about 20 policemen to stand guard outside the actor's building. As the storm brewed, Amir finally issued a statement. Parts of his statement read, "First, let me state categorically that neither I nor my wife Kiran have any intention of leaving the country. We never did, and nor would we like to in the future. Secondly, I stand by everything that I have said in my interview. To all the people shouting obscenities at me for speaking my heart out, it saddens me to say you are only proving my point." He ended his statement with words by Rabindranath Tagore. But Amir is not the first Khan to have created such a national debate over his comments on intolerance. Earlier in the month, Shah Rukh Khan had said,
I think creativity बहुत secular होती है. Creativity के अंदर कोई धर्म, कोई जात पात, रीजन, रिलीजन नहीं आता कभी भी. The one thing I truly believe in is that if there is intolerance to creativity and if there is intolerance in a country because of religion, we are taking away every forward step a nation is taking.
and for this, SRK also received a lot of backlash. So what do you guys think about this controversy? Should Amir have expressed his fears, or should he have chosen to be his diplomatic self? Share your thoughts with us on facebook.com/9xz and on Twitter @9xz the show. Now moving on to our next piece. Last episode we got you an exclusive interview with the Tamasha leads, Deepika and Ranbir. But we just can't get enough of this rocking jodi. So here is some more fun times that we had with them.
Imagine मैं किसके साथ बैठा हुआ हूँ. I think they don't need any introduction. I'm a huge fan दोनों का. So first of all, Ranbir, catch this and ask me what is that.
What is this?
This is my ex-girlfriend's kiss. She called me last night and she said that you have to give Ranbir a kiss. I said that will be awkward, but you know, so I just.
This is your ex-girlfriend?
Yeah, my ex-girlfriend. Dude, this guy is like किसी की ex-girlfriend नहीं छोड़ रहे, किसी की girlfriend नहीं छोड़ रहे. But anyways, we also have. Hi Deepika, how are you?
Good, how are you?
बेटे नहाने नहीं वाला अब मैं. First of all, a big round of applause and congratulations for Tamasha. I think the promos are looking super cute and your chemistry. तो आपका chemistry test कर लिया जाए.
That's good.
All right. So इस chemistry classes में आप सभी का स्वागत है. रणबीर, दीपिका and शार्दुल. करना ये है कि आपको अपने बारे में कुछ सच बताने होंगे, actually झूठ बताने होंगे, जिनको इन्हें पकड़ना होगा, whether it is true or false. All right. Let's begin with Deepika Padukone.
So she says something and I press the buzzer, right?
Yeah. अगर आप पकड़ लेते हो. Yes.
I diet a lot.
False.
You don't? Deepika Padukone doesn't diet. Like, how does that work?
She's got a good digestive system.
Yeah.
I got 57.3 in my 10th standard exam.
Is that a lie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How
because
much did
he
you
got
get?
some 30 something.
No, I got 54.3.
What is it that he doesn't?
Yeah, what is it that he doesn't know?
I'm sure girls have secrets all the time.
I'm a graduate.
You're not. That we all know. That was an easy one.
She started working young, yeah.
अच्छा, अभी हम लोग आपके साथ एक और गेम खेलने वाले हैं. हम लोग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स करने वाले हैं आज दीपिका और रणबीर के साथ.
We're starting out of the box game. और जो पहला ऑब्जेक्ट निकल रहा है वो है
दीपिका, you can't look at all.
Done?
ये हम वापस.
No, he's just showing the audience what it is. All right, ये बॉक्स मेरे पास आ चुका है.
हाँ, एक पार्ट है फेस का. There's a part of the face that you cannot use it. It is also अरे यार ये actually quite मुश्किल है. Like
Eyes,
you can, no,
nose.
one sec.
Tick one.
Vaseline makes it. MAC
Tick
makes
two.
it.
Greasy.
Tick
Lip balm.
three.
A lipstick.
Correct.
Okay then. Deepika, you have to close your eyes again. and here is the second object that Ranveer will ask Deepika to guess. This is going to be super fun. Alright, so Ranveer, ये वो words हैं जो आप नहीं बोल सकते हैं.
So he showed the object?
Yes.
I look up?
Yes, you can look up.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
There are 3 kinds of milkshakes.
Chocolate milkshake,
No.
vanilla milkshake,
No.
banana
Correct.
milkshake.
Dude, this was like he nailed it like this. Alright, अभी टेस्ट होने वाला है रणवीर का and this is the super fun object that
Is that
don't
yours?
you love it? No. Close it fast, Deepika. Alright, Deepika, ये वो words है जो आप बिल्कुल use नहीं कर सकती हैं.
Okay, so what am I?
You're a girl.
Okay, what is the opposite of that?
Boy.
Okay, and what do you? So what do you all like to wear?
T-shirt, jeans, sneakers, socks,
No,
caps,
under your.
underwear, boxers.
Yeah. Huh?
Underwear.
Yeah. What did you say after
Boxer.
that? Yeah.
Right now, Deepika, your second
One
option.
more?
And then Ranveer, you have to look away.
God.
Okay.
This is knowing them. I think ये लोग बहुत जल्दी कर लेंगे. So this is your list. The words that you cannot say, and the timer starts now.
As children, it's something opposite of sour.
Sweet.
Okay, so it's something sweet
Tick, tick,
that
one.
we. No.
Tick, tick, two.
Like on a
Tick, tick,
on a long
Tick, tick,
thing.
four.
Lollipop.
Yeah.
Why did we even play this game with them? Like, why did we even play this game with them? I don't like this. हम लोग हार
just
गए.
given us an option. Me and Deepika should have just looked at each other's eyes.
And we get-
Lollipop.
Yeah.
That connect.
Alright. आप दोनों में से सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा तमाशेबाज कौन है?
Ranveer.
Deepika. She has a lot of naughtiness in her eyes, so आंखों से she'll really like tease you, not in a
No, I know.
flirty way. She'll tease you in a way कि उसको मस्ती करना है. But अभी मैं इतने instances नहीं दे पाऊँगा.
Ranveer, मतलब वो everyone knows he's very naughty, very mischievous, and he's like that.
Well, I just have to say that huge thank you to both of you
Thank you,
because
Shadul.
a huge fan of both of you, and I wish you best of luck for Tamasha. We know it's a super duper hit. Thank you for being with us.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Shadul.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
That was one fun chat, but is the movie equally fun? Our movie buffs will tell you if it's worth a look on the other side of this break. And when we meet again, I'll have brand new clothes thanks to our style partner Jabong. Coming up, Akshay forgives Sajid Khan. Welcome back to 9XC.com, the show, your source for Bollywood news and gossip. These gorgeous clothes are courtesy of our style partner Jabong. This week sees the release of the Ranveer Deepika star Tamasha, and RDX lovers at their sizzling best this time as well. Well, our movie buffs caught Tamasha in the theatres, and this is their take on it.
What's up? मेरा नाम है प्रबुद्ध दाइमा
और मैं हूँ संज्ञा और हमने देखी दीपिका एंड रणबीर का तमाशा. तो फिल्म में है रणबीर कपूर हु इज लुकिंग फैब्युलस एंड उनकी परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में तो क्या ही बोलूं. आई मीन अमेजिंग.
तमाशा से याद है दीपिका पादुकोण मतलब इतनी सुंदर
कंट्रोल सुंदर तो है ही एंड आई मीन इमोशनल सीन्स क्या डिलीवर किए हैं.
तो ओवरऑल फिल्म की बात करें, इम्तियाज अली की जो एक बात मुझे बहुत पसंद है इस फिल्म में इज द फैक्ट दैट वो स्टोरी टेलिंग जो है ना, ये ना ज्यादा स्लो है ना ज्यादा फास्ट है. इट्स अ जर्नी.
एंड आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द लोकेशंस. आई मीन इतनी सुंदर सुंदर लोकेशंस है. ऑफ कोर्स इम्तियाज इज नोन फॉर दैट. तो अब ये सारी लोकेशंस मेरी ट्रैवल लिस्ट पे हैं.
सो ऑन द हॉट स्लॉट आई गिव तमाशा 4 thumbs up.
Me too. 4 thumbs up. So 3 things we learned from the film. Daima.
नंबर 1, अगर आपको कॉर्सेका में बड़ा बॉलीवुड एक्टर या डायरेक्टर लगना है, सिंपल, वहाँ इटालियन एक्सेंट में फ्रेंच बोलिए. अगर फ्रेंच नहीं आती तो हिंदी बोलिए, वो भी चलेगा एज लॉन्ग एज इट इज इन इटालियन एक्सेंट.
नंबर 2, अगर आप रिक्शा में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो रिक्शा वाले से बात करना मत भूलिएगा. क्या पता खोया हुआ कुमार सानू मिल जाए.
क्या बात है. एंड नंबर 3, जिस तरह जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा के बाद आधा इंडिया स्पेन गया था, अब जितने भी हनीमूनर्स हैं सब कॉर्सेका जाएंगे. जी हाँ. सो निम्नलिखित वाक्यों में संज्ञा पहचानिए.
शट अप दाइमा. तो ये थी हमारी विशेष टिप्पणी ऑन तमाशा. और याद रहे, हम नहीं हैं मूवी क्रिटिक्स, हम हैं मूवी बफ्स.
हम आपको मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते. तब तक के लिए हम दोनों आपके लिए डांस करेंगे. 5, 6, 7.
Moving on, seems like Akshay Kumar and producer Sajid Nadyadwala are in a very happy mood these days. In fact, both are in such a happy space, they decided to let bygones be bygones and kiss and make up. Basically, be friends with people they had major issues with, like Houseful director Sajid Khan. On Monday, Nadia Dwala threw a party at his Mumbai office to celebrate friend-turned-foe-turned-buddy Sajid's birthday, signaling that all is well between the two. Earlier, Khan was unhappy about not being able to direct Houseful 3 because of creative differences between him and Nadia Dwala. Nadia Dwala's good friend Akshay was in the middle of this controversy as well. In an interview, Sajid Khan spoke about how Houseful and Houseful 2 helped Akshay come out of his bad patches in his career. But looks like Akshay has also decided to let things go. The baby star took time out from his busy schedule to drop in at the birthday party and even posed for photos with Sajid Khan. Now that the director is in the good books of Nadia Dwala and Akshay, will we see a new project with this trio? We'll keep you posted on that one. Now guys, it's time for a short break, but don't go away. I will be back with a hot look from Jabong and even hotter stories. Coming up, Salman's Rakhi sisters' sad separation. Salman gives his Sultan director nightmares. Welcome back. You've tuned in to 9XC.com, the show, and I'm back with another amazing look thanks to our style partner Jabong. So a few days ago, the industry was abuzz with news that Salman Khan's Rakhi sister Shweta Rohira and her husband, actor Pulkit Samrat, have ended their marriage. The cause of the separation was said to be his growing closeness to actress Yami Gautam. 9XC editor Vicky Lalwani spoke exclusively to Shweta, and Shweta stated the reasons of their separation as...
It is his family. He has clearly said, and I would like to believe, because I've always believed him. And he said he wants a separation for his family, and I've been the giver in our relation, so I've given him that too.
Pulkit and Shweta had a grand wedding ceremony last November with Salman performing her Kanyadan. लेकिन असल में पुलकित और श्वेता की शादी 5 साल पहले ही हो चुकी थी. They had eloped, and the festivities last year were for his family and her extended family. In all, they have been together for 9 years. So, how is her brother Salman taking the news of their separation?
How any family member would take it.
Did he not try and intervene and talk some sense into Pulkit?
A relation is between a couple, and I myself would not like anybody intervening or explaining. It's between him and me, and I would appreciate it between him and me.
Despite all this, Shweta says that she and Pulkit are still very much in love.
I am in love with Pulkit and Pulkit is in love with me. This is just for his family.
Even these declarations of love cannot hide the fact that Yami's name has cropped up far too many times. So how is Shweta dealing with these allegations?
I think that you should ask him because I'm not aware of it. I know my husband came and told me he wanted to get separated for the family, and I strongly believe that. As a wife can sense what's going on, right? If I don't sense it, why will I confront anybody on it?
Shweta is putting up a brave front, but both Pulkit and Yami have evaded the subject. They have not even responded to our texts. Looks like Pulkit is not scared of Shweta's bhai Salman, but there's one person who is. And moving on, after a lot of back and forth, the shooting for Salman's Sultan has finally begun over the weekend. And getting a taste of Salman's way of working is director Ali Abbas Zafar, who has earlier worked with Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor in Gunde. 9XC has it that Ali is feeling a bit overwhelmed with Salman's behavior. Coming late for the shoot, calling for pack-up after shooting only for 3 to 4 hours. You think it, Dabangg Khan has done it. And to add to it all, Salman also has a unique take on some of the sequences in the movie. Our source says, but Ali is still not used to the ways of Salman. He was a little taken aback the last few days, seeing the superstar's style of working. We've noticed that Ali even feels intimidated by Salman's presence. 9XC had earlier told you about the issues Kabir Khan had with Salu while directing Ekta Tiger. तो Ali धीरे-धीरे समझ जाएंगे कि सलमान के साथ कैसे काम करते हैं. Well, these might just be teething problems, and hopefully Bhai and Ali will figure it out soon. That's all we have for you for this episode, guys, and you have seen me in some amazing looks, and they are all thanks to our style partner, Jabong. You guys should totally check out their website. And for the latest in Bollywood, go ahead and check out our website, 9XC.com. For Bollywood news and gossip on the go, download our free 9XC app for iOS and Android. Get social with us on Facebook.com/9XC and tweet to us at 9XC The Show. You can also view our complete episodes on our YouTube channel, and I will see you on Monday, guys. Bye.